How to solve verification code not received in QQ application. Hey guys, welcome back to TechieRaj YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you that how you can fix verification code not received in your QQ application. Okay guys, so let's open the QQ application, and here it asking me to allow photos, medias and files on my device. So when I deny it, okay, I'm denying it, okay, and it will ask you for your phone number and SMS allow. So when we deny it, at that time we do not receive the confirmation code. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to your setting in your mobile, go to setting, and then scroll down and find the app management or application manager, whatever. You have to go to the applications, and here you have to select all apps, okay, and you have to find out QQ application. Okay, let's find out QQ application. Here is the QQ application. Click over there, and then what you have to do is, the first thing what you have to do is you have to go to the permission. Okay, and here what you have to do is you have to allow all these permissions, and then go back to your QQ application and try it again. You will definitely receive your verification code. This is how you can fix this problem. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.